Hi, my name is Opeyemi. In this video, I will be showing you what lists are on Engage and the interesting things you can do with them. A list is a way to group your customers any way you want. There's a second way to actually group your customers on Engage, and we call this segments. Segments allow you to group your customers based on their attributes and actions. So for example, you can create a group of customers that have not logged into your application in the last, say, 30 days using segments. The way segments work is that customers are automatically added or removed by the segmentation engine based on the defined conditions and customer data. And this is great, right? But we understand that sometimes you may want to manually just manage your user groups, and this is where lists come into play. Let's go ahead and create a list. Let's create a list for a waitlist subscription for a demo project. We add the title, description, it could be anything by the way. We also add a link to redirect subscribers to if they join through an online form. And we can also toggle an option to send a second confirmation email as well. Once we create our lists, there are a couple of ways to import subscribers or add subscribers to our list. And let me show you how you can simply just do this. So you can directly just upload a CSV file containing your subscribers and select the fields you are interested in. I mean the columns you are interested in, and add values for them. So for example, I can say, hey, this is the website. I'm interested in, say, the city, for example. Tag that as well and complete my import. Interestingly, I can also see what the values for the selected columns are so that I'm able to know what exactly I'm importing. So what are the other ways of importing subscribers to your list? One is that you can directly embed the list subscription form on your web page. If APIs are your thing, you can also use that to manage your list on subscriptions. The list documentation explains how this can be done easily. For our next trick, let's embed the form on a simple landing page. All we need to do is to find the right place within our page to add the HTML code. Only the email field is required, so you can go ahead and remove or add as many attributes or as many fields as you want. Before we go ahead to test our embedded subscription form, let's do something else that is very, very interesting. And this is kind of like my favorite part of Engage. Let's create an automation that will be triggered based on subscription to our list. Creating automations on Engage is very, very simple. All you need to do is to select a wide range of automation triggers and start your message workflow. Let's create a simple message workflow that sends 2 messages to subscribers at different intervals. So all we need to do is to create our message, add our subject, add our message content, and just go ahead to create our message sequence. We can add conditions like delays, we can add if else conditions, we can perform actions like archive the user, change the user attributes, remove the user from the list, and do a lot of other things. But for the purpose of this video, let's just stick to creating a very, very simple workflow that sends 2 messages to the subscriber. Once we're done with our automation, all we need to do is to publish the automation. And once it's published, subscribers that join our list will automatically enter that automation. So let's put this to test. Let's fill our subscription form. I've gone ahead to make some changes to the form. And to also fill the form, I will be using a temporary email for the purpose of the test. If I go back to my list, I can confirm that yes, there's a new subscription. If I go back to my automations, I can also confirm that the subscriber has entered our automation workflow. The subscriber is currently in the 2-minute delay stage, and all I just need to do is wait for 2 minutes and see what happens. Coming back to my automation 2 minutes later shows that the subscriber has moved down the automation. This means we have sent the first email and the subscriber is in the second delay stage. I can actually confirm this by checking the test email inbox. If I wait for a couple more minutes, the second email can be confirmed as well. Once the subscriber has passed through all the stages, he or she exits the automation. It's important to mention that Engage allows you send broadcasts to your lists as well. Sometimes you don't want to create automations. You just want to send direct messages to your list, and broadcasts allow you to do that. Interestingly, you can send broadcasts through emails, SMS, push notifications on mobile, and in-app messages on web. All you need to do is select your lists, toggle a couple of options, add your message, and you're good to go. Once you send your broadcasts and your subscribers start engaging with your message, either be it through email, SMS, or other channels, you are able to see the engagement, the performance, and the interactions between your subscribers and the message directly on the Engage dashboard.